Good morning, world. Good morning. It's 2nd of July, London session, and let's start with it. As always, I hope you had a nice sleep. As well, if there is any problems with the stream or with the sound quality, just let me know in the comments. Yeah, let's get on with it. So we're on Nasdaq now. We're gonna do our morning routine. We're gonna mark the highs and the lows. Sorry. Thank you. We're gonna mark the highs and the lows. This is our liquidity areas, as always. Asian lows, solid line. 555, Asia made the highs. Solid line. Let's take a look at the London session. So we drop a bit. We couldn't collect this liquidity. Probably we had... No, we didn't have SMT. No. We drop a bit and then price structure is showing bullish movement. We have those highs and those lows. Let's see if this is the previous day high and low. So yesterday we had the first black candle from 20th of June. Let's see what we're gonna see today. This is our previous day high. Again, solid line. Previous day low. Where is it? Solid line. So this is the range. This is our targets. Let me just see the weekly. Yeah, we swiped the previous week high. We're flipping this week now with this daily candle. So we have the previous session highs and lows. We have the previous day highs and lows. Let's move to gold. We're doing the same here, guys. We have those Asian highs. 305, we have the lows. Let's take a look what did they did. A drop, liquidity collection from below. One more. Okay, we're very close to the Asian lows, so this is something we might collect. Let me just fix something. There we go. Morning, brother. Good morning. Any trades yesterday? Yeah, we had a couple of trades. I don't remember the London session. Did we had anything on London? I don't know, but we had DR during the New York session. I think it was break even. Okay, let's keep going with the daily. Previous day high. There's no wick on the previous day candle for gold. This is something interesting. Okay, we have the Asian highs, previous day highs and lows. Now what we can see is that gold of 30th of June made a green candle, and yesterday made another one. It collects some liquidity, it came back down, so again it's 50-50 here with gold. You can see we've been doing that for a long time. We had trend up here. We break that trend up and we start going down. So if we want to break this trend down, we should have candle closure above those highs for the day, and we can say, yeah, we're aiming for the all-time highs. This is crazy how those numbers affect the market. 3500. This is the all-time high. Look at it, exactly.
00.
This is crazy.
So whole numbers.
Whole numbers, yeah. We spoke about that. The whole numbers make sense, you know, for key areas. Three more minutes till the market opens. Yeah, yesterday on Nasdaq we had pretty strong drop during the New York session. Oh, I haven't opened my MetaTrader. The most important bit.
Question for all future viewers: MetaTrader or CTrader?
Try them both and decide for yourself. Try them both. Like, I've been CTrader fan for a long time, but now I switched to MetaTrader. And if you're using MetaTrader, make sure you download this position sizer.
That's the best part.
That's the best part of MetaTrader, yeah. Well, what can I tell you? I like it. I give it a go and I like it, so you should give it a go as well, just to try it. You're still getting used to CTrader, so when you get used to CTrader, you can always give it a go. Okay, we just opened the market. Good luck, everybody. You as well, Sonny. Yeah, good luck. for SMT wise, we have, as I said yesterday, you see how this move started? Do you see it? Do you see the SMT here? You see these lows? And this? Nobody took them. And these lows are, and these lows are the same. You see? And another one. These lows and these lows have been taken. These lows, nobody took them. Up. So there we go. Huge SMT. From below. What does that mean?
Price will go.
That's it. And this is from where the whole move started and never came back. But now we have SMT from above. That's it.
It's either they will equalize.
Oh, that's it. Of course, that's it. As I showed you, it's very powerful. I watch for you. Now the problem is that we have one from below and one from above. We need to collect either one of them. With gold, we watch silver, but they're not that strong as Nasdaq and S&P. They're not that strong. This is the last candle for the 5-minute orb, and we have only black candles here. There we go, we have the orb. We have it for Nasdaq as well. Barcode mode so far. I'm gonna have candle closure below by the look of it, yes. Gold is trying to close above as well. And it will, by the look of it. Can it collect the Asian lows as well? No. It collect the last hour lows. Okay, we're very close to the Asian lows. It'll be very interesting what we can see from there, because we can look for unicorn, we can look for the 15-minute orb as well if we collect them and we break above, or the opposite, we collect them and the move is too strong and we keep going down. But ideally I want to see them collected in the next 6 minutes. By the look of it, Nasdaq 5-minute orb will fail. Okay, let's go for the lows. Okay, we took the lows. This is a reaction. This is why we wouldn't enter on the candle close here for the 5-minute orb, because the Asian lows were too close. So we took them. Okay, I'm changing to 5 minutes time frame now. Now, if we see candle closing above, would we enter? Yeah, most probably. We swap the Asian lows, we have Asian highs here. There's a lot of SMTs going around with Nasdaq. Another one from the top. Good thing that we waited to take the lows. Exactly. Exactly. In a minute we're gonna have the 15-minute orb. Thirty more seconds. I'm gonna show you what I mean by this SMT. So you see those highs from 555 here. 555, right? 555, same highs are out. And here they're not taken. We can see Apple, it's up. This is from yesterday. Tesla, Nvidia. Oh, this was the big bleed yesterday. So yeah, we have SMT on the top. So at the moment I anticipate candle closure on the top, and on 1 minute I'm watching for unicorn. So the structure is lower low, higher high, lower low. So when we have candle closure above the orb, this is very important, guys. When we have candle closure above the old highs, right here we're gonna have change of character. That means we're gonna have break of structure, and that means on 5 minutes, if we close above those highs, we're gonna have candle closure above the orb. So we can enter straight away by the orb rules, or we can wait for a fair value gap, retrace, entry, and target the Asian highs. Because we have liquidity sweep, we have change of character, all we need is fair value gap along the way, and that's where our entry gonna be. But for now, we're keeping this structure. We make lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower low, lower highs, lower low, and this is the last lower high. We don't want to see another lower low. We want to see hesitation in the price and then breaking the old lower highs. Unicorn models, I love them, and I always gonna enter on unicorn model, especially with major liquidity sweep, always. Okay, Nasdaq, we have a minute and it starts coming back. Now, if we had, well, we have this Asian high swept with S&P, so we can try a trade here by the orb because we have major liquidity sweep. There's 1 more minute. Let me show you how it's gonna work, look like. So these 3 candles, they form the orb. We're gonna go short. The stop loss gonna be just a little bit above here, and we're gonna enter with 0.5 of the account. Yeah, it looks strong, it looks strong. We can wait for a little retest, but we can miss the move as well. A little pullback, but I think I'm gonna enter straight away here. So you see how easy is position sizer to be used? You just place your whatever you want your risk to be, you place your stop loss, and that's it. You just click OK. Let's see on 1 minute what's gonna happen. Maybe one green candle and we jump on it. Okay, let's jump on it. Let's jump on it. Up, up. 3, 2. Okay, I'm in. Okay, you can minimize the window like this. Open it like this. It's pretty smart too. It's pretty smart too. Let's go back on 5 minutes. Let me see. No, nobody took those loads. They're far away. SMT is still in play here. We have a huge one as well with those highs, and we have with the Asian highs, which is very good confirmation. If we see, let me just see gold for a second. Okay, if we see how RSI is doing. Okay, we're not underpriced. We're trending below the middle line. It's the same here. Let me see on 1 hour. Okay, there is plenty of room on 1 hour. Let me see on daily. On the daily, we're in the top side, so yeah. 15 minutes. 15 minutes, we have plenty of space as well. and on 1 minute and 5 minutes we'll be on the downside, but this is not a problem, so we can expect a little bit of a, how it's called, say the name, pullback. So we can expect a little bit of a pullback, but I don't see something major on 1 hour. Beautiful, beautiful. Let's determine our take profit as well. So what was the price we entered? 538, 538, 538. This is where we entered. 538. So the stop loss is up here. 6575 maybe. 6520. Stop loss is here. Well, we have pretty obvious. Let's go. I'm on with you on this one. Hopefully it's gonna be a good one, mate. We have pretty obvious TP. Asian lows. 22463. 463. That's it. So this is how it looks like. It looks like beautiful, to be honest. Let me see how is gold doing. Gold is making new lows now. Now if gold breaks and close below the orb, our idea is gone. Now about break even, we're gonna move break even right here. I'm gonna place a line. Five to 5. Maybe with those lows somewhere here. I'm gonna move somewhere here. Now keep in mind this trade can take 2 hours, even more. But we have the SMT, we have the candle closure below the orb, 2 confirmation, very strong confirmation. Where it is? Oh, we just made, yeah. Gold, last time I checked, is trying to make new lower lows. So what does this say to us? That the trend is too strong and it's keep going down and down. Beautiful push. Now we need to keep an eye for SMT. on the lower end here. And with these lows here. Come on, keep on pushing, keep on pushing. Guys, if you like the stream, Kick, I don't know if in Kick, can you like streams? Can you show love in Kick? Well, definitely you can subscribe there, so yeah, if you like the stream, just click the like button, subscribe button, all of that. It will be much appreciated, guys. Okay, we're going break even, guys. Risk free. This is risk free trade. Where is my stop loss? We're going break even, just like this. Boom. So now we are risk free. We can only win from this trade. We can't lose anything. Now we have SMT with those lows, which is not as strong as the SMT of above, of the Asian highs. So I'm not too afraid. Good move, good move. Let's keep on going. Five one one. 511. Right here, we're gonna have 1R. Let's keep going. Beautiful push. Let's look at gold. Ooh. Okay, gold decided. Okay, now we're gonna change where is our break of structure, because we have lower lows, lower highs, and we have new lower lows right here. We have rejection from the bottom part of the orb, which is strong as well. So we keep receiving confirmation for now in our favor. So we're gonna keep an eye on it. Ideally, we wanna see as this structure keeps going, we wanna see the next move breaking above the orb and the old highs, retrace, and entry, where the entry will be on the retrace, stop will be under a fair value gap. There should be a fair value gap behind, and it will look something like this. If everything lined up, it should look something like this. Ooh, this doesn't look good. Now I can do re-entry if we flip this candle with 0.25 from this fair value gap, only if we flip it. With stop loss above the old highs, the old lower lows, where is our entry? Only if we flip it, guys. The idea of this re-entry is that it's with very tight stop loss, it's with very low risk, and it aligned with the initial idea. So we're stacking up on our winners, hopefully. Let's see. I like the idea. I like the idea. This is 2R for TP right there. Beautiful reaction. Beautiful reaction. We want to be risk-free on this one now, so we can move to break even. Again, we can only win. Why I'm watching there, you're right there. Oh, it took us out. Yeah? Oh, it took us out, unfortunately. And it looks still, it still looks good. It still looks good. God damn it. Even smaller risk this time. Same stop loss. We risk 83 quid to make 160. Oh. Yeah, a bit of a worse entry. Let's see how gold is doing. Hmm. Two-point drops just like that. Boom. Okay, we have a retracement here. On 1 minute, if we stay below the middle line, this will be great. Oh no, don't come for us. The momentum looked bearish as hell on both. Chat, did you got anything? One more time, if you like the stream, subscribe, all of that. I'll be very, very grateful. And kick as well. Okay, we hit the 50%. Yeah, basically we don't want to go above this fair value gap. I might move my stop loss even tighter right here. I'm gonna put them together. Just like this. Break even and stop loss, put them together. How it looks on 5 minutes. The 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour looks very good. 4 hour looks good. Come on, you can do it. Let's see what gold is doing. And it's gonna make new lower low. One more time, we don't want to see candle closure, so 45 seconds. These 5 minutes are so awful for gold. Like, it didn't move at all. "30 seconds, don't close below. The idea will be gone." There's 20 minutes to the DR as well. Thank you. It struggles as well, it struggles. I don't like these rejections. Yeah, this looks like a bad rejection. Come on, flip it. Three green candles for now on 5 minutes. We want to see that momentum kicking back again. Come on.
See it after we pass out.
No. We see goat. Another rejection from below. This range for the last 10 minutes, my days. Chat, are you in something? Are you in a trade? Say something, chat. Did you saw something we missed? Come on, just start moving. Take us out or start moving. Being so slow, it's such a pain. I'm on NQ as well. That's good. That's good. Hopefully we get the famous drop, rally, drop. Rally, base, drop. Hey, we're positive on both. Come on, keep going, keep going. Not bad. Goat. Okay, we swept the lows and we get a lot of rejection from the lows. That gives me a buy signals as hell. Nothing yet, Alan. Beautiful move. Beautiful. Keep going, keep going. Okay, we can move this to break even as well. We can move this to break even. Just don't stop. Just don't stop. What are you looking for, Alan? What is your main strategy? Sorry if I asked you before. Red line is 1 hour. And the second trade is on 1 hour as well at the moment. We left another fair value gap along the way, which is even better than the previous one. You're asking, can we re-enter with very small risk again? Let's see. Let me check for SMT on below. Okay, we collect the low. Okay, we collect all of the lows. We're clean from SMT from below. Maybe we missed the moment, to be honest. $50 orb to candle outside of orb plus other configuration. I'm afraid of 1 min time frame. I'm afraid of it. You mean you're afraid of 1 minute? Okay, I know what you mean. I know what you mean. The volume is crazy. I know what you mean. Yeah, when you zoom out, you feel more confident. You can have better stop loss. You see the big picture, of course. But our entry is on 5 minutes. I'm just following the price action on 1 minute. My entries, I don't know if you were in the live session while we entered. Basically it's on 15-minute orb, it's 5-minute candles on 15-minute range, candle breakout, left the fair value gap behind, and we had SMT with S&P, those Asian highs. We didn't sweep them, which that's fine, that's perfectly fine, because here on S&P we took them. This is the same highs we took, so that's perfectly fine. Okay, one more time. While we can, we're gonna add up to our winners. There's no way around it. Nope. I haven't moved to break even so fast. Okay, it took us. The slippage is very high during the London session, so I shouldn't do that, to be honest. It doesn't matter, we are in 2 trades, both risk-free. I'm aiming for 1% of my account. Let's see what's gonna happen. We're not too far away from 1%. How much you on both? More than 0.5%, yeah, the same. Hey, what's going on with gold, guys? Whoa! Wait a second! What is going on? What is going on? Okay, right, so we might get an entry here, guys. What the hell? This is strong shit. Okay, we might get an entry here. If it comes here, we're gonna do something like this. I'm not gonna lie, with this momentum, it may keep going up and up. When this happened? When this happened? Okay, we keep going. 400 pounds here. No, don't go back. So yeah, we need a retracement here on gold and we can jump on it. Let's see if it's gonna respect the first fair value gap. What a move. You see those candles here? Small moves. Bam, 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 bam. What? Yeah, it's gonna respect the first value gap, don't you? You're very strong now. Mm-hmm.
You're literally saying it's giving.
Yeah, I literally said that right here. Before the move, just before the move, I said that right here. And it made 7 pip move in the next moment. That's mental. Yeah, I know. Okay, this trade is more than R now. The main trade, it's 1.2. When my total reward become 500, I'll be out with 1% of my account. Probably this will be until this TP somewhere. Now, I don't have much experience with MetaTrader 5. If I was on CTrader, I would take partials on the first trade. I'm gonna close the other trade. But I don't have much experience with MetaTrader, so I'm just gonna take 1%. So this entry was good as well, it seems, that it take us out. I think we spoke too fast, because this might turn around with 2 candles and get us out. Let's see on 5 minutes. Ooh, in 5 minutes looks ugly. 5 minutes scream, get out. How long until this 5-minute candle? Minute and 18 seconds. See the 15 minute, doesn't know what's going on. Let's see gold. Okay, 5 minutes looks better now. 5 minutes looks better. Maybe a little scalp here. This is 8R. This is mental. To be honest, the idea was break, retest, and move. We didn't want to see this. We didn't want to see, you know, we don't want to see that. This is what we wanted. This bloody break. Maybe we wanted to see it with 2 5-minute candles, not with 1. But on the other hand, now we left 5-minute fair value gap with this slow move. So it won't be wrong if we enter somewhere here on the retest of the break of structure. Let's see. I still want to hop on this unicorn, really. We close above the orb, we make break of structure, we get big rejection from below, we swap the Asian lows, we swap the Asian lows. Can we find SMT